Alright, so let's create a Vite plus React plus TypeScript application. First, let's go to Chrome, then search Vite, and we're going to go to this vite.js.dev website, then click on Get Started. We're going to copy this command, npm create vite@latest, minimize this, go to terminal, go to your project directory that you want to create the project to, then paste this command, enter. We're going to give it a project name. I'm going to give it Vite project. Then select the framework we want to use, which is React here. Then we're going to select here TypeScript. And now our project is ready, almost ready. Now we're just going to open it in VS Code. So as you can see, we have all of our codes here. We have our main component, app component here. But what we have to do now is go to Vite project, go to our project, and then run npm install. After running npm install, we can run npm run dev to serve our application. And then we can go to this link right here on our browser to view our application. Here we go. Our Vite plus React plus TypeScript application is ready. We can click here to increase account, and thank you very much for watching this video.